Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got some exciting new GPU drops in the RTX 50 series, including fresh RTX 5060, 5070 model from ASUS, PALIT, and even surprising appearance from PELADN. So let's dive in. Damn! ASUS just announced the RTX 5050 LP BRK, and it is designed for a small from factory PCs. LP means lower profile and BRK means it comes with lower profile bracket. This GPU is super compact, just under 7 inches long. But don't let that fool you. It's factory overclocked to 2550 MHz, powered by the new Navi Blackwell architecture, and comes with 8 GB of GDDR7 memory. Now ASUS listed it as having no power connector, but that's wrong. It actually has an 8-pin power connector, because it draws more than 75 watts. Also, there is no backplate, which may help it fit better in tight build. Let's go to the specs. It has 3840 CUDA cores, up to 2565 MHz, GDDR7 memory, dual fans, low profile design, AI performance, 621 AI drops. For lower profile card, this is a beast, perfect for compact gaming or editing rigs. I wish it had a backplate for cleaner look, but SFF build, this is a win. PALIT is slimming down its Gaming Pro lineup with the new GamingPro-S model for the RTX 5070 and 5070 Ti. Those cards still use the triple fan design, but they are now slimmer, going from 6 cm to just under 5 cm in thickness. That's make them easier for fit into more cases, especially if you are tight on space. The length and the width stay the same, but it looks like the regular Gaming Pro. The cool thing about this PALIT's Maker project is supported. You can customize the shroud with the 3D paint design. PALIT even gives you the CAD files, and the mods don't void your warranty, which is awesome. Next up, we got something bit unexpected from PELADN. A lesser known but globally available Chinese GPU brand just launched their RTX 5050 and 5050 Ti ARMOUR Series. Both use the same GB206 GPU and comes with 8 GB of GDDR7 memory. The RTX 5060 Ti has more cores, 4608, and non-Ti version has 3840. So it is a stronger card. There is no factory overclock, and right now no 16 GB version or higher end cards. The design was done in a collaboration of Red Dot award-winning designer, and the fan use bionic ring blades, which are supported to give 50% better air pressure and 5% less noise. I'm honestly surprised to see PELADN stepping up with a clean custom design and modern specs. It is not a A-list brand, but if pricing is competitive, it could be a solid option for budget builders. So that's all for today's. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from the GPU world. I see you in the next video. Thank you.